It's my Feel Good Breakfast Show.
You're still live with your Feel Good Breakfast Show right here on SABC3. And on this Wednesday, it's all about keeping fit. Now, we know that keeping fit is not only a great way to, get that summer body that we all want, but also does wonders for our health and helps to keep our immune system in check. We are chatting to JP Stale from HIT Fitness on the health benefits of exercise and how we can get that daily dose of exercise to really keep us healthy during these holidays. Thank you so much for joining us, JP.
Hi, Jamie.
Really, exercise is a good thing for us, not only for our physical being, but also for our mental being.
That's correct.
But how important is exercise with regards to your overall health and also just fighting, the immune system?
As we all know, exercise is really a great way to better your physical, your mental health, because we get all of the benefits, like lowering our blood pressure, cholesterol, better functioning of our organs. But also, the release of the serotonin and endorphins after a workout, you really feel great because that's the feel-good hormones. So those are really the physical benefits of exercise. But also in this time, because we are so focused on our health and our immune systems, like exercise kind of like strengthens our antibodies that fights off viruses, in our bodies, and like it really helps the white blood cells, strengthen our immune system. So at the end of the day, exercise is really the best antivirus that you can kind of take, to protect yourself against all viruses and stuff that really wants to kind of like get us ill,
I gladly said that there's a feel-goodness of after working out.
Yes.
But when it comes to working out, it can also be very overwhelming for people wanting to start their fitness journey.
Yes.
How does one then start, and what exercises should one then take to start if you're just a beginner?
Okay, so when it comes to exercise, like I always say, you have to kind of like have the right routine for your goals, because sometimes people can get into something that is not directed to their goals. So that's number one. But if you just want to start working out, never just jump into something that's like too much for you. So what we do at our studio, we grade our exercises. So all of them, you can do the same exercise, but they will have a level 1 to a level 3 version. So there's this beginner version and advanced version, so that somebody can start just working out, strengthening, getting fit, and then being able to do more later on, and not just being thrown in the deep side from the first day. So it's about grading what you are doing.
I love that. And also, we know that December is around the corner.
Yes.
You have, of course, brought the big guns out today. Luthando is here, that's going to be taking us through a bit of a workout and a high intensity. Luthando, are you ready for me?
I'm super ready for you. Now we're ready.
I'm good. What are you going to be taking us through for this workout today?
All right, so Jamie, today we've got 4 exercises that I want you to do, all right, at home as well. So it's 4 exercises that I want you guys to do. It'll be 40 seconds of hard work, all right? We'll rest for a good 20 seconds and repeat all 4 exercises for 4 rounds. So you could literally get in a smacking workout in about 16 minutes in your lounge on this one, all right? So that is the setup.
Can I modify? Is that a question, or can anybody do this?
Anybody can do this, and you'll
That's
see,
what I
like
need to
JP mentioned as well, we'll be grading this. I'll be giving you a beginner and an advanced that you could do. So depending on your fitness levels, that's exactly what we'll be doing, all right?
Let's
So that
get right
first
into
one, we're
it.
doing some drop squats, all right? So beginner, Jamie, you'll be doing the beginner. So legs are nice and wide apart over here.
Yes.
All you'll do is literally push the hips backwards until the knees are in line with the hips, and then shoot up on the toes. That'll be the beginner variation for that exercise, all right? If you're a bit more advanced in this one, you'll be jumping through it, all right? So that's both legs in, both legs out, and you'll keep repeating. The benefits of this exercise over here, as you can see, will hit the legs, all right? As you get the knees in line with the hips, they'll activate the leg muscles, and essentially, if you're jumping through it, that'll also elevate the heart rate, all right? So that'll be number 1 over there. Do you feel it, Jamie?
I feel it. I'm like, yes, bring it on.
Awesome, all right? So our second one, so that'll be 40 seconds, all right? Then you'll rest for a good 20 seconds. Our second one will be some suicide push-ups. So for this exercise over
Say
here...
what?
Suicide push-ups.
Okay.
So we'll be on our knees for this one over here. The beginners will be on the knees, all right? So you'll start off on the forearms. You got the elbows underneath the shoulders. That's it. Cores engaged. What you will do over here, you'll press up on your palms, all right? That's all the way up. Keep the core engaged, and you'll return to the starting position. As you press up, you'll just alternate arms, all right? The more advanced variation for this exercise will be at the toes. So that is what I'll be demonstrating. So that's up on the palms, down on the forearms, and you'll keep your core engaged, all right? So the most important thing over here is that you want minimal movement at the hips. As you can see, Jamie's Totally got it, all right? So, conditioned athlete that we have over here, all right? So 40 seconds and you'll rest for 20 seconds, all right? So that'll be the next one, and that will essentially target the core muscles. Because you're using the arms, I'll hit the shoulders as well, all right?
Luthando, and I love what you're doing because it really incorporates every single muscle group. It's not just, making one movement or body, everything gets incorporated.
Yes, 100%. Like JP mentioned as well, when it comes to interval training, you want to target as many muscle groups as possible. That is super important, of course. The more muscle groups you target, the more your heart rate will get elevated and essentially the more calories you'll burn, all right? Third one, though, we're doing some high knees, all right? So level 1s, we'll be stepping through it, or the beginner will be stepping through it, and then the more advanced variation will be running through it over here. Primary target for this one is to elevate the heart rate and get the watches vibrating a bit, all right? So as you can see, as well, Jamie, knees in line with the hips at the top, all right? You'll do this as quickly as possible. That'll be 40 seconds of work, all right? So that'll be the third one. That's all there is to it. 40 seconds of good work.
I love it. And the beauty of it is you can do it anywhere.
Yes.
And that's always what everybody wants is convenience, but also just making sure that exercising is fun.
Yes.
You want to have fun. So with this exercise, it's all about just giving your body what it deserves and just burning all those calories because summer is here, everybody. We are getting snatched. Hey!
Yeah, awesome. And I've got one more for you.
Okay.
All right, the last one we'll be doing over here will be some burpees, all right? I'm sure you've heard of this one before.
Yes.
All right, so we'll be doing some burpees. The beginner over here, legs nice and wide apart. All you'll do is you'll drop down, the knees are in line with the hips, you got the feet together at the back, your core is engaged, all right? Open up in front, so wide legs, and then hands up at the top, and you'll keep repeating that movement, all right? Again, same thing over here, 40 seconds of hard work, all right? The fitter you are, of course, you'll up that, so you'll jump back, jump forward, jump at the top, and you'll keep repeating. Full body complex exercise, target as many muscle groups as possible, elevate the heart rate, and after that, you should have a cracking 16-minute workout.
Yeah, Luthando, nobody's trying to show off on TV here with a full-on burpee. Thank you so much to you and
Thank you
JP for showing us exactly how to get that heart pumping. Yes, physical exercise is all about just breaking a sweat, but it's also fighting those illnesses, fighting that immune system, and making sure that you fight off those viruses as well.
5 awesome experiences up to the value of 5,000 Rand must be won with Immuenza on Expresso this November. Help boost your immune system with Immuenza and stand a chance to win a weekly giveaway of skydiving or cooking with a chef, advanced driving or shark cage diving. Answer the question on the Immuenza competition post on Expresso's Facebook or Twitter page using the hashtag Immuenza. That competition runs up until midnight December 1st. Terms and conditions can be found on expressoshow.com.